Yo, what's good? I'm outside of this place called Crazy Bins right now. This is an Amazon liquidation warehouse. So I think the way it works is when people return products to Amazon or if products get lost, people send it off to these companies and they buy all of the crates. And apparently you can get some really crazy deals. They have like different days where Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it's like $5, $3, $1 for like most items in the store. Today is the weekend, it's Saturday, so it's $25 for everything in the store. So we're gonna see if we can go in there and get some deals on some dope items. Let's see how it goes.
All right, so first impressions of this place is that it's nothing like a thrift store or like a used electronics store. All of the products are literally just thrown in these bins and there's no organization at all. In one bin, you can find everything from a drone to food to other weird items that you've never even thought about. But what I'm looking for are products that I can flip for a profit, and since everything in the store is 25 bucks, I want items that I can sell for at least 50 to 60 bucks, so it's actually worth my time to dig through a bunch of junk. And the reason that this is the only $25 day is because this is the restocking day, so coming back a few days later, you could probably find some good deals for a few bucks, but chances are all of the high ticket items that can make you money will be gone on the $25 day. So what I was doing to find good products is I just had my phone out, and anytime I saw something that I thought had potential, I would just search it up on eBay. I would check out the sold listings, and that would usually give me a good idea on how often the item sells and then the average price that it sells for. This place, to be honest, didn't really have a lot of good products, but I did end up getting 2 items.
All right, so this is what I got. I got it's a wheel hub for Chevy Impala. I checked this thing out on eBay. I got it for 25. It sells for like 50 to 80 bucks all day. And then also, me and Julian balled out on these pit vipers. If you've been on Instagram or TikTok, you've seen these everywhere.
Pit vipers, it's like a DUI for your face.
So 25 bucks for these, and I've seen some sell on eBay for like 100 bucks, 125. Yeah, we're gonna see if we can make some money on these.
So the second location was very similar to the first one. Definitely still had a lot of junk and stuff that definitely wasn't worth $25. I was a little bit worried because all of the restocking is done in the morning and we were getting there a little bit later, so I thought everything would be looted and I wouldn't be able to find anything. But I was still actually able to find a few decent items like these boxing gloves that retail for $70. I got this Amazon Echo that consistently sells on eBay for 50 to 60 bucks. And I got this smokeless grill that sells at Walmart for $180. So I was pretty happy with that and the other 2 items that I got. Now the only thing left to do was to go home, take some good pictures of the products, throw them up on Facebook Marketplace and eBay, and wait for offers.
Yeah, you can check it out if you want.
Okay, man.
Thank you, sir.
Taste a bag. Don't worry about what I'm doing. Taste a bag. Don't worry about what I'm doing. Taste a bag. Don't worry about what I'm doing.
All right, so it's been a week. I just sold the last item, so I'm gonna go over all of the products, how much I sold them for, and what the total profit is. All right, so starting off with the pit vipers. So these were one of the items that I was most excited to sell because I saw how much other eBay sellers were selling them for. So I didn't realize this when I first bought the box because I didn't open it until I got home, but I actually got 2 pairs of the pit vipers for 25 bucks. So I was really stoked on that. I put both of them up on eBay for about 100 bucks, hoping that I could really make some really good profit on them. And within a few hours, somebody messaged me saying that they're fake. And then a few hours after that, eBay completely took down my listing for having a counterfeit product. And then I checked the Pit Vipers website and it turns out that mine definitely were fake. I didn't have like a serial code on the earpiece and they all have like a secret message that mine doesn't. So mine were obviously fake. Since I had 2 pairs, I ended up selling both of them on Facebook Marketplace for 40 bucks each. I guess I just got lucky. The guy that I sold them to, he knew that they were fake and he didn't mind just paying more than half the price of the real ones for having 2 pairs. So that was 80 bucks. And keep in mind that everything on this list was bought for $25. All right, so next up is the wheel bearing. I threw this up on eBay. I think for $40, I started the bid. And then a few days later, it sold for $72. So that's a pretty good sale. That almost tripled my money on that product. So next up is the boxing gloves. So I ended up selling these locally for $30. Then there's the Echo Dot, which I sold locally as well for $35. And I'll explain in a second why I sold these for so cheap when I thought that I could make at least 50 bucks on each of them. But last but not least, there is the smokeless grill. So this one sold for $50. So the total cost for all of the products was $125. And we made a revenue of $267 after selling everything, which brings a profit of $142. It's definitely less than I was hoping to get. I didn't think that I was going to be able to buy fake products at this place. So that really screwed me over. And some of the other products that I sold for way cheaper than expected, like the boxing gloves and the Echo speaker, and the grill even, which was originally $180. The reason I sold these for so cheap is because I was treating this past week selling these things as if I was doing this full time, and if this was actually my main source of income. And if you were to do that, you don't want to be holding a bunch of inventory. You want to be selling things as quickly as possible. So pretty much every single time that I got an offer, I would just say yes to it, even if it was only $5 above what I paid for it, like the boxing gloves. I probably could have made a little bit more money if I just kind of left the eBay listings up a little bit longer and the Facebook Marketplace listings up a little bit longer. But like I said, I just kind of wanted to sell everything as quickly as possible. But yeah, overall, I mean, earnings are not that bad for half a day's of work. For the most part, people are just coming to you if you're selling on Facebook Marketplace or if you just need to ship something out quickly on eBay. So it's not a lot of work. It's pretty easy money. I think if you're trying to make some real money in this, you definitely have to know exactly what you're looking for and exactly what products sell instead of searching them, because there's a lot of people that come into that store and you're probably losing out on a lot of opportunity if you're spending all your time searching for products. It could definitely be really easy to buy a bunch of things that you think are going to sell, and then next thing you know, it's been 3 weeks and you're just holding on to all this inventory and you're losing money instead of making money. Yeah, that's definitely something to keep in mind if you want to try out a side business like this. But yeah, overall, pretty good experience, pretty fun and easy to do if you just want to make some extra money on the side. But yeah, that's about it for this video. If you have any other different types of side hustles that you'd like me to try, I would love to give it a shot. So let me know in the comments, give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.